What is going on, y'all? What is going on? Jay on the screen. Jay on the screen. You know what I mean? Like Jay on the screen. But pretty joint. You know, this is gonna be my first joint. You know, as y'all see on the title, we're gonna be doing some stuff. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff that you really don't expect from an SUV. But hey, you know, that's what's gonna be. That's what's gonna be. That's the move. That is the move. But a little bit about myself, you know what I mean? I do a lot of cool things, you know, make music. I'm inside building things, doing things. I just want to do stuff, make changes, you know what I mean? Take chances, do things that I never really do. But this is one of them. You know, I don't think I really want to be doing YouTube, but you know, I want to try it. Why not? But hey, we want to see where this thing goes. But anyway, let's get right into the video. You know, we got the keys right here. Number 25. You already know 25. Class of 25, because that's how we gonna roll. So let's start this joint. Yeah, that thing sound good. But yeah, I'm gonna pick it up when we're at Lowe's. You know what I mean? When I get there. If I get there, who knows? Never know. But until then, shoot. Alright, we are at Lowe's. We are going to be looking for two things, maybe three. But two things. We're going to be looking for a blowtorch. We're going to be looking for some steel wool, fine grade. And we're going to be looking for some metal polish, liquid metal polish. Those are three things I'm going to come out here with. But yeah, we got to roll up in there right now. Alright, your boy got the goods. We got the freaking blowtorch. Some other freaking steel wool. If I can get this one out. Oh, yeah. Steel wool. This one. Okay. Yeah, this one. And then some metal polish. Boom. That's what we're gonna do for the exhaust. 100% that exhaust is gonna be crazy. It's not even just an exhaust sound, but like trust. Just trust the process. Y'all gotta see a vision. Alright, so here's the lineup. We got the steel wood, we got the polish, and the blowtorch all set up. And here's the exhaust tip on my joint. Yeah, this thing about to look good, bro. This about to look good, y'all. You already know. But yeah, this is what's about to happen. I'm about to use the blowtorch to kind of touch up this like freaking trim. Yeah, the trim. Same thing with these mud flaps and all that jazz. Oh, this. I use it to touch up all these plastics, basically. Also, these are the new headlights I put on. I messed up the clips on these, so I gotta like redo it. Put on the new trim thing, but that would be in another time. But here's the other trim: 4 running boards, more mud flaps. Yeah, that's basically what I'm about to do. I'm about to hit this joint. It's about to look good. I'm also about to debadge this too. I was thinking about keeping the Armada on here, but you know, yeah, why not? Like, why not? So I'm gonna debadge this, do it the right way, because the first time I did it, did a little thing, and we ain't gonna talk about it. But yeah, that's exactly what's about to happen. I'm gonna record all the process, document everything. Probably gonna black out the V8 symbol too. Basically do a chrome delete without doing a chrome delete. I don't know, something like that. But I want this to be seen. You know what's inside of here. But yeah, get to it.
Sorry.
guess the freaking blue tips is a fail because I don't know what happened. I freaking burnt the heck out of it and nothing happened at all. I don't know. Like I can literally smell it like burning and everything. Like it's done. Like it should be blue, but I think it's only on stainless steel and mine is just metal. Yeah, I can literally see the heat like radiating off that thing. Like I don't know. But we're just gonna move on to the next thing. I ain't tripping about it. Even though it's kind of like the main thing I was doing, but yeah. I'm gonna go right into this trim now. Gonna work it out. Here we go. Alright. This is the outcome. Not bad. I wanted to get the answer of the crevices and everything, but this thing is not allowing me to cooperate. But yeah, it's not bad. I actually like it. Made it look almost OEM. Almost new. Yeah. This is pretty good though. Way better than what it was. All that. But off to the next step. This thing. Okay, peep game. I just realized that steel wool polishes chrome. Like it gets rid of all the oxidation and everything. Like I literally just like went over it and it just made it like 10 times better. So I'm gonna record that. Yeah. We're just gonna do that. Like boom.
Sorry.
Now we're about to hit this piece of it. Look at that. Looks a lot better. Everything looks 10 times better. I'm trying to see what I can do with these inside crevices, but I don't know. But dang, when I found out about this chrome with the steel wool, nah, it's over with now. It's over with. Hold on. Shoot, might have to hit up these doors. Probably hit up these wheels too. Here are these doors. This VA symbol badge. Like, look how much. Like, just look at it. Like, it needs some TLC. These wheels definitely need some TLC. I haven't detailed this thing in so long. Definitely about to hit this grill though. Oh, it's over when I hit this grill. This grill about to look so good. Holy, hit the mirrors. Man, let me get to work.
Sorry.
It ain't gonna stop me. D-badging is gonna start. Alright, so I had to back up because the freaking thing was not gonna reach, basically. So, yeah. Oh, hi. Say hello.
Annyeong.
To the tube. Anyway, get outside. Oh my God, crippled. So yeah, bought a heat gun. I got some freaking. The heck?
My bad, bro.
Yeah.
I was hearing voices.
No. Anyway, heat gun. Freaking floss. Just gonna heat this bad boy up and use the floss and take it off. Here we go. I ain't gonna lie, I don't want to, but I might have to go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto buy this $50 eraser thing. I was trying to do it without it, but as you can see, this ain't cutting it. So, man, because I want to order it online, because online it's like only $10, but yeah, this ain't gonna work. So, see y'all at AutoZone. Like I said, secure the eraser wheel. Only issue is look at this price. Holy, like $40 for this thing. Right. I mean, the only thing is it's here, so I guess it's justified. I don't know, but yeah.
Sorry.
That is slick right there. I'm gonna polish it. That should be it. Just like that. No badge. And not looking like this. Praise freaking God. Holy, that looks good. That looks good. Now, hit the trim. These door handles. This grill. And part of this trim over here too. And that should be it. Should be it. Oh yeah, and the mirrors. Well, I got everything done aside from these part of the trims, but the chrome is done, all polished, all shiny. As you can see, look at this thing. Ooh, you see my whole body in here, like, dang. But yeah, hit all that chrome is nice and shiny. The door handles are freaking pristine. The only thing I gotta do now is this trim, but that's about it. But as you can see, it is turning dark, which means I ran out of time, but that's alright. Probably make everything else in the next video. You know how it is. You already know. Yeah, you already know. Just post another video. It's not, ain't no rush. But yeah, everything is basically done. This is all nice and shiny. Look at that thing. You can see the light, bro. Holy. Dude, you can see that thing reflecting, like, that's crazy. But yeah, badge delete done the right way, not like this. Shoot, get this thing a nice wash, it's gonna be looking real good. But yeah, that's about it. You already know. I'll catch y'all on the next one. You already know. See you on the next screen.